Hey folks, welcome all to this particular video. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about the data protection. Data protection is something which is very important if you are running anything on the online space. If you are a blogger, if you are a YouTuber, if you are an e-commerce business owner, if you run your own website to sell products or whatever you are doing, whatever things you are doing on the internet, on the online world, needs a special care, a protection. All you know, it's very easy that people can simply copy anything. You are an Amazon seller, you put your you get your photography done, and somebody will come, will pick up the photograph, will attach to its own listing or its own website and start using your work, your own work, without paying any royalties to you, without taking any permissions to you, and they're not even selling your products. So what is the solution? A lot of people ask this question again and again and again, that how you can protect your image. Especially the Amazon sellers have this big question, that how we can protect our images and everything. Yes, there are many ways to it. Many ways means, in case you have a registered trademark owner, in case you can prove that it is your image, you can reach back to Amazon with a complaint form and tell them, they see, this is a brand owned by me, I'm the trademark owner for this particular brand, I did a photography done here at this particular thing and all that stuff. But please note, now there is a catch to it. A lot of people get their images designed through freelancers like Fiverr, the service providers and everything. How much you are sure that your service provider has given you the first copy of whatever images you are using? So there are multiple things to it. So just to make your life simple and everybody's life simple, if you are a digital creator, anything you are creating online, you are running a business where your exposure is to public, where you are publishing your images going to the public, whether it's an Amazon seller account or anywhere you are selling, you're a Shopify account holder, or you are writing your own content, or whatever it is, you can avail a service which can help you to monitor everything, which can help you to even send them the legal notices and take down requests. Now let me give you the perspective of this. The service I'm talking about is the law in US called Digital Millennium Copyright Act, which is called DMCA. It's a law in US already. In US, if you found to copy these kind of a content, there is a complete litigation process under the DMCA Act, which can be enforced by the party to the other party. But what about the people who are not in US? Like you're in India, you're in any other country. What is to be done to have this kind of a service? So DMCA also provides a service, and this service starts from $10 a month, and a lot of features there. I'll open the site and give you the perspective. You can find the link also below this particular video, where you can just go and start this service in case you're interested to start. But this is going to give you a lot of peace of mind. What's going to happen here is, if you subscribe to the service will ask you, okay, where all your images are posted, where all content is posted. Like if you're Amazon seller, give all the URLs of your listing. So this is my URL number 1, this is my URL number 2, this is my URL number 3. So what's going to happen is, this service will start monitoring every single activity which is happening with your content or with your images. If you are in India and somebody in Sri Lanka steals your content, steals your copy, this service is going to give you the alert that somebody has copied the image to you. Now, please note, you can only enforce actions where you have the full authority and full right of creating that image. Whatever way you created the image, if you are the creator of the image, if you're the owner of the image, you've got full right to file a complaint and get that thing removed from the that particular website. So let me just open the site and give you some perspective out of it. And I would highly encourage you, in case you're struggling to really safeguard your content and the images, don't look here and there. $10 is something which is easily affordable with everybody. And I want you guys to give a try for a month or two and see this is really helping you or not. Okay, I'll find the link in the description below, so you can check that out. Let me start sharing my screen and give you what all things you can do with this particular service. So let me start sharing with you. Yeah, it's now here. Okay, So you can see you reach to the homepage. You will see, has your content been stolen? Video, photo, graphic, text published online without your permission. We can help you. You can learn more. Start takedown. You can see this. So they are already protecting 1.13 million websites every single day. They will give you a code you can paste on your website in case you have a Shopify site, in case you have a WooCommerce site, your blog site, wherever, whatever you have on your site, you can simply paste the code and get started. So I'll share you what all options are there. Protection means they can protect your website, they can monitor your keywords, your images, your reputation, your search engine, everything they can monitor. There are different service options are there. Takedown options, you can initiate a takedown notice on that particular thing. Compliance, pricing, let me come to the pricing and give you different perspectives of the pricing and the plans. You can start with the protection plan from $10 a month. Online content protection used on over 1.3 million websites. You can take this. Takedown notices, you can do it on your own, or you can take the help from the company or the compliance. Let me just give you more perspective out of it. Now, Protection Pro, what I would recommend you, everybody, to start is you can protect your website content, text, code, images, and graphic by paying $10 a month. You can submit your website URL to add auto protection. You can do this, and you can also come to the takedown thing in case you want to do it on your own. You know that there's something, somebody has stolen your content, you don't know how to remove it, you don't know really what are the steps to follow. Either let the company handle for you, let them make a notice for you, or you use their service, or you do it on your own. You will get the templates and everything here. You can also take the monitoring service where you can track the internet exposure of your content, that where all your content is going on. So you can just check this out. And then there's a compliance process. Take the tension out of takedown notice processing, $10 a month or $100 per year. Pricing, cases per month, 5 at $10, 1,000 at $5,000. So these are the different options. You have a chat button here. You can just simply chat with the team out there, and there's no better way than this to protect your images online. That's a standard valid process worldwide to protect your images as well as your content. You have built your own reputation, you have built your own brand on the internet. You started selling on Amazon, you got your private label brand up and running, you got the photography done, you had spent a lot of money in building your brand, and somebody will come tomorrow, will steal, and will use, if not on Amazon, maybe on Flipkart, maybe on eBay, maybe on Etsy, maybe on its own website, and you will not even ever know this thing. The problem here is you even don't know who is using your image and where he is using. But if you're using a service where you are putting everything on the monitor front of it, you are ensuring that you are getting alerted. Once you get an alert, okay, that somebody has stole your image and somebody is using it here, simply go to a DIY template, pick up the template and file as guided by the network. You will be guided that find the images at amazon.in. This is the mail of the legal compliance authority. Please put a mail immediately there as a takedown notice, and Amazon will act upon, and they will send a notice to the seller concerned to take down that image, and you will get a confirmation back. You don't really need to fight it out and slog it out or struggle it out, because the team is going to help you with the whole email IDs and everything, that where this particular site is registered and whom to contact and everything. But that informations are available, because whenever in case you have your own domain, you provide this data. I have my website called rajatsethi.com. The registry has my email ID, that if any non-compliance comes from my website, whom to contact, which ID to be contacted, and everything is available there. So I hope you have learned something new today. I hope you guys will take some learning from this particular video and start protecting your digital content. I wish you all the good luck, and I want you to achieve the greater success in your life. Thank you very much. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. God bless all of you guys.